So if you look right here, you'll notice that there are 3 different pedals. The first one right here is called the damper pedal. The middle one right here is a sustento pedal. And the bottom one right here is our soft pedal. Each one is used for a different purpose. I'm going to give you an example. You notice when you don't play the pedals, different things will happen. When you put this pedal down, you hear that echoey, ringy, sustained note sound. When you use this pedal right here, the soft pedal, you can hear that the sound is actually quieter. Okay, and that's the reason why. That's the reason why it's called soft pedal. Excuse me, because it's quieting the sound. And what happens is that when you press this pedal on a acoustical grand piano, it'll actually shift the keyboard over to where it's hitting less strings, or on an upright, from what I understand, it actually moves the keyboard closer so you can't hit the notes as hard, therefore making it softer. So let me show you what happens when you do this particular pedal. If you notice right here, nothing sounds like this changes at all. But the beauty of this particular pedal, the sustento, is not so much that you do it beforehand, you do it after the first one that you want to sustain. Okay. If you notice that this one right here, so every time I go back to this one and play those same original 3 notes, it's going to make those ringing out. And anything else is not based upon the notes that were played before you press that pedal down will not have that sustension in it. Okay, hopefully this helps you understand a little bit more about the pedals.